Today it's Maresfield Road, Brighton, very steep hill, 60 tonne to do, one wheel metre planer. Yeah, very steep. Had to unload on the side road over there.
You get it all ready and prepped, it's ready for them, but
yeah,
they could be like hours after.
Last cut up the hill. Oh no, it's not. Oh, patch to square it off. This is my view. This is how I do it. All in the camera, the rear view camera. I'll wait till I see a few stones falling. Then I'll go backwards. A few stones there now. Then I'll go back to about here. On the elevator, that's close enough. That's me done. Thanks for watching.